Yes, you see.
Okay.
You can tell. Okay. The bunny here.
Oh, sister. Look at your bunny. Oh, is it Hello Kitty bunny? Let me see.
There.
That is so cute. Look at this. Hello. I'm your Hello Kitty bunny. You can chew on my ears. You want to chew on my ears?
You want to chew on her.
He likes the Hello Kitty bunny.
Mommy, my egg.
That's fine.
I'm going to get it. Yes, yes, cousin. I wonder what it could be.
Excuse me. Hello.
It's a 50.
Did it fall?
Whoa!
Get your egg while you're down
Look
there.
at this.
Oh, perfect. She loves those things. That's what she needs. See there with water-filled cooling part. She will love it. Hey, do you want to save anything for tomorrow?
No.
You want to open it all today?
Yeah, because it's my special day.
Sensaluki.
Wonder what it is. Oh, yummy!
No way. Bubble gum Easter egg? You've got to be kidding me. I know. I checked it back in there.
Another one.
Another one. Starburst in that one.
How do you open it?
You wait until you're done with everything else and then you open it.
Oh, yeah. And I can have my, this.
What is that? Whose name does that say on it? Look at the front.
Mine.
Talia and Spencer. Happy Easter.
She got the toy.
It's okay. I'll give her back her pair. Wait. Guess what it is.
I think it's a book.
It's a book. I think you're right. Harry Hungry. Harry Hungry. Cool book.
I guess Harry's the hungriest. Harry's the hungriest. Harry's the hungriest.
Ooh, that one. Who's got?
Taking the book.
Let me see the letters. Oh yeah, Spencer Russell. SR. Grandma sure knows how to do it, doesn't she?
Okay.
Oh my goodness, that is so funny. I bet you put those gummies inside that chicken, and then the chicken walks and drops them out his little behind.
It's good trap.
What does that chicken do? It's gross like those candy boogers Grandma sent you before.
Let me show Daddy.